Do you want to lose weight in the most sustainable way? That is between 0.5 grams to 1 kg in a week? Then this video is for you. I'll be highlighting some of the things that you can start doing in order to lose that weight, and that does not involve going on crash diets or doing detoxifications or going to some other extremes that people go in order to lose weight. So make sure you watch till the end. And before we get right into the video, I want to welcome all our new subscribers. Thank you so much for the support so far. We've just hit the 50 subscriber mark. Thank you so much for being here. Number one, say goodbye to the white stuff, and that is the sugar. Reducing added sugars is one of the fastest ways to be able to lose fat around your midsection. Not to mention, sugar is about everywhere these days, but that is not to say that you cannot be able to stay off sugars. One of the ways that you can start doing this is by reducing adding sugars in your milk tea, coffees, and other beverages. Number two, up your proteins and fiber. This far, you already know that fiber does not make you add weight. As a matter of fact, it helps you in losing weight. So make sure that you take enough proteins as well, because taking proteins make you feel fuller for longer. It also reduces cravings. And some of the sources of protein include grass-fed beef, poached chicken, boiled eggs, and some of the sources of fiber include avocados, chia seeds, nuts, and so much more. So make sure you eat your proteins and fiber. Number three, cut out processed foods. And this includes saying goodbye to your favorite white bread, white rice, pasta, processed meat, and anything that is processed. You can substitute this with taking whole grain foods because they are very rich in fiber and nutrients. If you're enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up so that it can be able to spread to more people. Number four, get sweaty. You want results? You have to get sweaty. One of the ways or some of the things that I advise is for you to work out at least for 40 minutes to 1 hour in a day. And you have to do high intensity interval training. And this does not mean that you have to hit the gym. You can do these exercises in the house, and within no time you're going to get results. You can also take a stroll in the park for 30 minutes. It will also get you sweating, and then you can do the other 30 minutes in the house, and within no time you'll be up for success. Last but not least, practice intermittent fasting. I know there's so many controversies out there about fasting, but I can tell you, when done right, it gives results. Fasting is one of the ways that will help you reduce your insulin, which is the fat storing hormone, and it prevents your insulin or blood sugar spikes. Also, fasting helps to give your digestive tract a break and also help in distributing blood in other parts of the body that might need healing. With intermittent fasting, you're going to experience better cognitive functions, your energy levels are going to be increased, your cravings for sugar are going to drastically go down, you're going to experience better sleep, and on top of it all, you're going to lose weight. So embrace fasting. And as usual, I have a bonus tip: hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Minimum amount of liters you're supposed to be taking in a day is 2 liters. So make sure, guys, you hydrate a lot. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Kindly leave me a comment down below. Also, please subscribe if you still haven't. I'll see you on the next one.